I am Dr. Ronak Bhandari, practicing eye surgeon at Malad in Mumbai at Prakash Eye Care Center. Today I am going to speak about glaucoma, the silent thief of sight. In Hindi we refer to it as Kach Bindu, Kala Pani. In Gujarati we call it as Jhamar. So what is glaucoma? Glaucoma is a group of eye diseases that can cause vision loss and blindness by damaging a nerve in the back of your eye, which is called as optic nerve. The symptoms can start slowly that you may fail to notice them initially. So the only way to find it out is to do a comprehensive eye examination. There is no cure for glaucoma, but early treatment can stop the damage and protect your vision. Types of glaucoma. There are many different types of glaucoma, but the most common type is open angle glaucoma. Other types of glaucoma are less common, like angle closure and congenital glaucoma. Briefly, we will talk about symptoms of glaucoma. So at first, glaucoma usually will not have any symptoms. That's why screening is very important, and half of the people might even not know that they have glaucoma. Slowly, when they start losing the peripheral vision, they visit the eye surgeon, especially the part which is closest to our nose. Because it is happening so slowly, people cannot sometimes tell that their vision is changing. But as the disease gets worse, you may start to notice that you cannot see things off the side anymore. Without treatment, glaucoma will eventually cause blindness which cannot be reversed. Angle closure glaucoma can sometimes cause sudden symptoms like intense eye pain, redness, blurry vision, nausea, and such patients immediately should visit their eye surgeon because it is an acute attack of angle closure glaucoma which needs to be immediately reversed. Pressure needs to be immediately controlled so that vision can be restored again. What are the risk factors for glaucoma? Anyone can get glaucoma, but some people are particularly at higher risk if they have family history of glaucoma, uncontrolled diabetics, age above 60, trauma. How is glaucoma diagnosed? Eye doctors can check for glaucoma as part of their comprehensive dilated eye examination. The exam is simple, very painless. This exam can also include a visual field test to check the peripheral vision and some other specialized tests like OCT. Basic tests like vision, dilated disc examination, and intraocular pressure measurement are sufficient to initially say whether you are suffering from glaucoma or you are likely to suffer from glaucoma. What are the treatment options available for glaucoma? Doctors use a few different types of treatment for glaucoma, including medicines like eye drops, laser treatment, surgery. If we have glaucoma or you have glaucoma, it's important to start treatment right away. Because if you delay your treatment, there can be damage to your optic nerve and your treatment can stop that damage and it can stop your vision from getting back to worse. So timely treatment is very important in glaucoma. The medicines which are prescribed are usually prescription eye drops which will lower the pressure in the eye and increase perfusion in the optic nerve and prevent damage to the optic nerve. The laser treatment is usually there to lower the pressure to prevent attack on angle closure, and doctors can use these simple office procedures which are harmless and painless in most settings. Surgery. If medicines and laser treatments don't work, your doctor might suggest surgery. There are several different types of surgery that can help the fluid drain out of your eye. As glaucoma is a serious disease, the treatment works well, but timely treatment and timely diagnosis is very important in glaucoma to prevent irreversible nerve damage. Thank you, friends.